Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. I invite him to address the General Assembly.
The Assembly will now hear a statement by His Excellency Sharma Oli, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency.
The Assembly will hear an address by His Excellency Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency.
The Assembly will hear an address by Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. May I request protocol to escort Her Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming the Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh and invite her to address the General Assembly.
La Asamblea escuchará.
The Assembly will hear an address by the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Imran Khan. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and I invite him to address the General Assembly.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Mr. President, if this goes wrong, you hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst. If a conventional war starts between the two countries, Mr. President, if a conventional war starts, and anything could happen, but supposing a country 7 times smaller than its neighbor is faced with the choice, either you surrender or you fight for your freedom till death, what will we do? I ask myself this question. And my belief is, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but one. And we will fight. And when a nuclear armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond the borders. It will have consequences for the world, which is why I repeat I'm here. Because I'm warning you, it's not a threat. It's a fair worry that where are we headed? And I've come here to tell the UN, you've got to, this is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination. They are suffering because of that.